Hi everyone, welcome to my art channel. I'm Soraya. So today I thought I'd take you through the steps on how I prepare my paintings to bring it to an art gallery. This is an art gallery I'm already part of, not that I'm approaching an art gallery, just after a painting is finished and it has to be brought to the gallery for hopefully someone to fall in love with it and bring it to their home. So keep watching to see exactly how I do this. So after the painting has dried for about a week at least, I use Krylon Kamar varnish. It is non-yellowing and really easy to spray on. So as I'm spraying, I'm making sure to shake the can just a little bit, making sure I get the edges and a very fine mist throughout in a back and forth motion. And I continue to do that for the whole painting. Now remember, this was a very large painting. It's a 36 by 60 inch canvas, so it took a little while to do. So the next day I take a look at it under lights, moving it around to make sure that there are no spots that I've missed. So after that step, I paint the sides black, all around the canvas. It's a gallery wrap canvas, and I make sure that I paint every part of the sides black. So now I'm measuring the canvas to put the wire on. This canvas is 36 inches and 1/3 of the way down is 12 inches. And I always put the wire 1/3 of the way down from the top. Of course, I do the same thing on the other side. This is what I use. It's a D-ring with a wood screw and wire. These are my new QR codes for my YouTube channel. I peel one off and stick it on the back. And I make sure to place another sticker that has the name of the painting, my name, and the size of the canvas. Now it's time to sign the painting. I always sign on the side, the right-hand side of the painting, never on the front. That's just my personal preference. And so those are all the steps that I take every time I complete a painting. And this one is ready to go to the gallery, and hopefully someone will love it as much as I do and take it home.